Today we have to talk about we know that in the 7 layer of OSI model of computer networking, the network is situated at three. Their upper layer, that is the transport layer. The network layer is basically responsible delivery of individual packets there from source to a destination. Also, network layer is responsible addressing, internetworking, packetizing, and the fragmentation also. There are performed by network layer task or functions there. First one is that the internetwork. Responsibility of network layer is to provide the internetworking between different networks there. It provides the local connection between the different types of network. It is because of this layer we combine the various different networks to form a big network there. So because of that, it is responsible networking between the different networks there. Also, next task or next function of a network layer is that there is a logical addressing. Means what? Of different networks that can be combined together and to form the big network or the internet network there in order to identify device on the internetwork uniquely at network layer. Also, network layer going to define the addressing scheme. Means what? Is each device uniquely and universally also. So addressing is a another task here. Next task is that routing means to route the packets in the specific route. When there is a independent networks or the links are combined there, that can be network. There are multiple possible routes there from source machine to destination machine. Among these, determine which route or which path is best or suitable from source to destination, and the network layer routes the frames among the network there. Then next one is that there is a network layer receives the data from upper layers and it creates its own packets by encapsulating these packets. So this process is packetizing. And means what? Upper layers data is received and own packets are encapsulated, and these packets encapsulation is known as, there is a packetizing here. So this packetizing is done by the internet protocol, that is the IP, define its own packet format. So the network layer encapsulates the packets received from upper layer new packets out of them. Next function or next task is that there is a packetization. Sorry, fragment. Sorry. So this fragmentation means that to divide the large packets into a smaller fragments there. The maximum size of the transportable packet is defined by the physical layer protocol. So for this network layer divides the large packets into the fragments there, and after dividing into the fragments so that they can be easily on the physical medium there, if it determines that the downstream router's maximum transmission unit, that is, then the frame size router can fragment the frame for the transmission and reassembly at the destination there. Other than these five, that is internet working, routing, logical addressing, packetizing, and fragmentation, there are other issues there. There are the other issues that are not directly related to the duties of network layer, but important is address resolution. Means what? When packet is delivered from host to a destination, it passes from one node to the next there, and the network layer provides only host to host addressing. The data link layer requires the MAC address or physical address for the nodes to the node to node delivery there. So there must be a method to map these two addresses. Address resolution protocol is used for this mapping. Then there is a multicasting or internet is the multicasting. There is a one source and many destinations suppose there, and internet because of the multimedia there. So multimedia in the form of audio and video, and that need the multicasting to reach many destinations there. Then routing protocols. A routing protocol is the combination of rules and procedures that let the routers in the internet in. There is a changes, and it allows the routers to share the information about internet on their neighborhood. So it helps about the failure of another network there. And the routing protocols are include the procedures for combining information. So these are a number of tasks or the functions which are performed by network layer. There are the few issues there, network layer issues. Means what do we need to think about in these layers? When there is a strategy for getting from source to destination, then congestion control algorithm, how do we keep from bottlenecking from too many packets? Then internetworking, that is the working with multiple networks and protocols in order to deliver the packets there. Then gluing together a collection of subnets. So there are the few different issues of network layer, forward packet switching, services provided to the transport layer, internal design of subnet, routing, internetworking. So I hope that you understand these number of tasks or the functions performed by network layer. Thank you.